Hey everybody, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking this out, and it's just a little photo album. Use it for, looks like baseball cards might fit in here as well. So that's kind of neat. It's got these little heart pattern on the front there, and you can actually put a picture down in there if you want. And then it features this binder. You can snap those open. And we have these packs of plastic holders here. Let's see how many there are. All right, let's just open this up. It has 2 of these. So that's quite a few. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 10. So we got 2 10-packs of that. And I like that it has 6 holes here. A lot of binders that you get, they'll just have the 3 there. And sometimes these tear. I like the fact that there's 6 there. It's going to add a lot of extra durability to that. So these will just slide in there. Oops, I'm going to line up my holes here. Just like that. And these, there's those new printers that people, these are really slippery, I'm trying to put these on here. Like little phone printers or whatever. And they take pictures that are this size, and they're really popular with the kids right now. But just take them on your phones, and then it prints out. It's like a little fast printer or something like that. So it's kind of neat, and it prints out, I think, this size, which is like, it's like 2 inches by 4 inches or something like that. But cute little album here, and then this string over the front is pretty handy. Little elastic string, just holds it in place. So yeah, that is pretty neat, and holds quite a few pictures there. I think some baseball cards would fit in there as well if you want to do that, but it definitely has like a little heart here design, so probably for someone more, probably like more like romantic pictures or something like that, or put your cat in there, anything that you love. Okay, thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.